Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix NBA 2K26 error GPU failed with error code 0x887a0005. Now what you want to do is basically when you're doing the whole process, you need to finish the whole, building shader stage 1, 2, and 3. All of this. Make sure you don't skip this. Okay? And if you had skipped this, what you need to do is just log into your game, and then in the settings, right, you go to your settings and then go to video settings, then come here. What I want you to do right here, go to build shaders, okay, and then complete the whole process. Make sure you finish the entire process, stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. If you do this whole shaders process, you will not have that error. Okay, really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.